All right, I'm upstairs. The leak came from this valve blew up. We're wet on the floor here. We're wet on the floor here. We're wet on the wall. It came out into this room. We're wet on the walls in here. This floor is starting to warp, and we're wet in here in this room. And then it starts coming downstairs. It came all down here. So all these stairs, everything's wet down, going down here. I don't know about the walls. All right, we're at the bottom of the stairs. Got moisture here, moisture on the floor, moisture in this floor, here in this bathroom. We're wet in here in this closet. It came all through here. You can see in this room, the water staining all through here. I don't know on these ceilings and walls yet. Yep, wet on here, that ceiling. Coming through here. It was not horrible, but just wet through the ceiling here. Wet on the floor. You could see started to peel. Wet here. Wet in here. We're wet back in here all the way over here.